Welcome to another vlog of Black and White in Alaska. It is snowing. Winter is definitely here. It's not leaving. Logan, was ist denn los? I don't know, something's going on here. I don't know, somebody might be on the trail or he smells a moose. Haven't seen one for a while, but it doesn't mean they are not here. Somebody granted me my wish of snow because I wanted that dirt, just that muddy area that's left from our septic fixing, to be covered. We're expecting a winter storm. Craig is gonna make sure we have enough water in the tank, and I'm gonna just grab a few groceries, and we always good stocked on canned goods and flour and sugar and all this stuff, and we have a freezer full of veggies and fish. So yeah, we are prepared just in case we cannot leave.
I'm trying to get this from him so it doesn't go over the deck because you won't see it anymore.
Logan, I don't know where your toy is. I don't have it. No, I do not have it. Ask Papa.
Put away.
Go and check.
It's in your toy basket, buddy.
Go and check. Go and check your toy basket. Get your toy. Oh, good boy.
That's not a good boy. So now I got
And number 2.
Oh, great. You're missing number 4.
Yeah.
You just dumped the whole basket in.
You have too many choices now, Logan, huh?
Trash run and water run.
It is my turn to cook tonight, and I will make Frikadellen, Rotkraut und Kartoffelbrei. I started with the bacon and added the cabbage and a little bit of chicken bouillon cubes, and I also added some water, and now that's the little trick. I'm gonna add some red wine because Germans love to cook with wine. Excuse me. Alright, gonna let it boil and then turn it down to simmer. And oh, I forgot something, the onion and the bay leaves and the gloves. No, we're not gonna put gloves in the red cabbage. Cloves? Is it cloves? Anyhow, they are now in this onion, and the whole onion goes in there for flavoring.
Complete mess. There's no way in here. There's nothing left. That's called hen stone there. That's, you see how one of them fell down because it's like that. Or when you go to Ireland, they just lay down. One of them's laying there like that. And the rest kind of go around.
Okay.
And nobody had to worry about what's falling, but like this game.
Another morning here in Fairbanks, Alaska, and it is warm. It is 37 degrees. The snow turned as predicted into rain, and as mentioned before, rain is never good on cold streets. It turns into ice. So usually we have powdery snow, but this one is super heavy, like East Coast snow. And I need to get out on the deck to get that shoveled off. Oh, schools are closed. That works in my favor because I have time to get on the deck. Also, yeah, Craig's gym is closed. I believe they closed all facilities on post. Yeah, so everybody's at home. That's good. Nobody is on the street navigating any ice. I don't know how the streets really look, but the driveway is not looking good. The deck is not looking good, so I can only imagine. And before temperatures drop again, we really need to get this snow and ice off the deck, so because that gets really heavy then. All right, we will do this. Craig worked super hard. He cleared the whole driveway. Now he's getting all the big snow off the truck. How are the streets?
I see somebody came over to their house and the car just went down the road. Our oldest went out there and looked. Said the roads might not be too bad. You need to really take your time.
I think it's getting critical when the temperatures are dropping.
Right now it's warm.
Logan, are you gonna help? Yeah, go ahead and eat the snow. Maybe that helps. Process of making some waffles, and the rain turned over into snow. Craig is still recuperating from snow shoveling this morning. Well, he didn't shovel, he pushed.
Yeah, but it was pretty hard with the snow blower because that's a heavy. It was like being in Michigan somewhere.
What are you doing with our dishwasher?
I was just seeing it when it was on its way done because that's a lot of water being used up here.
I feel it goes for hours, but there was a short power outage and I don't know if that affected it.
Yeah, that could have. I don't know.
Good morning. Another day in paradise. Schools are canceled again, which is not too bad to have a day off. So I work for the district and we don't have small kids where you have to be concerned about childcare if you have another job. So yeah, power went out last night. It's restored. However, there are some winds and the trees going back and forth, and that snow is pretty heavy on there. So I'm wondering if some trees will fall again on some power lines. So I didn't trust the power so I didn't trust the situation, and I made all the dishes per hand. Usually we use our dishwasher, and we turn it on in the evening after dinner. I don't know if we still have power at that point, so you need to think a little bit ahead in these situations. Yeah, I will also vacuum as long as we have power, and maybe cook the rice already for tonight. And like I said, thinking ahead, and then we can relax. There were actually a few trees that came down. Craig just showed me, and we need to clean a few pieces. Looks like one cracked towards the street and somebody put it aside already. Yeah, I hope not too many people have damages, because they not necessarily fall into empty places. Like we have one in the back. So as of right now, we are pretty lucky. We were fortunate that our power remained on. As the trees swayed back and forth, we settled in cozy and safe, savoring a peaceful evening together. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, sending love and peace from Alaska. And thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.